Getting ready to depart now is the 1226 East Midlands Railway service to Worksop. One five three three oh two. One five three three oh two and 153382. Opening. Now we see a terminating cross-country service from Birmingham New Street, I think. Railway service to this formation is 170. One 113. Oh my God. Hello and welcome back to another Trains Out. And today, here at Nottingham situate on the Midland Main Line. There will be seen services from East Midlands Railway and cross country. 158774 has departed with the 1234 East Midlands Railway services live. Platform 4B should be 1235 East Midlands Railway service to Thingamajoogle. No, let's stop. 156 410. Now it's the 1241. It's cross country service to 153385 and 153308 and brought in the 1250 East Midlands Railways. Now let's go back to 170 117. 170 117. Ready to depart now in a few moments time should be the 1245 East Midlands Railway high speed train service to Midlands Railway service to Netfield, Chesterfield and Sheffield. Refreshment 43082 should be getting ready to depart with the 1245 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. Come on. Yeah, man. HST, come on. Depart. HST, depart. HST, depart. HST. Depart. Depart. Just depart. And you're not, are you? Oh, yes, you are. 4308 to us. Talk away with 1245 is Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. And on the rear is 43064.